Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel with me. This live video and by me showing you plan one plan easy plan granny square lo make it. By plan idim fopla color rob. Na and but one of hardly you make him suppose you beginner and by easy by me explaining good talk all stitches by you make him so si fopla rob you na you may start. Okay, this like granny square me la show you plan. I'm also calling him lo starlet like star. Na yeah, I'm easy pla color me make it one pla lo. PNG color finish slam starlet granny square yeah. Me using PNG color lo make him. You can use the same PNG color lo make him or you use another color you like him. But by you need him 4 pla. 1, 2, 3 na 4. You see color ready na you may start. Okay, so round 1 and by me start one time play magic ring past them. So lo make a magic ring yeah. Tail blow rope start you round your finger blue. And for me like crossover lo front now you hold him stop rouse him. It's like loop your finger rouse him come on top. Then you see hook to you, put him through this loop yeah. Go grab him rope by you walk one time yeah. You grab him, pull him come inside. Pull him come on top now. You all him one time. Pointer finger blue stop. Now you have him rope by you walk yeah. You have him you see come on top. Yarn over him, now pull him. So now a magic ring blue come up yeah. Okay, so first when we starting one time, chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. Now this line come up as a first stitch me, so for me put him stitch makalo third chain here. Now by me make him 11 plamo double crochet gonchalo this magic ring. So I'll make it double crochet blue by you yarn over. Put the whole gonchalo ring here. Yarn over, pull him come on top. But you got triple loop low hook stop. By you yarn over, low rope by you walk one time here. Pull him through the two tassel past them. Now by you got two remaining step here, by you yarn over again. Now pull him through. So I'm how to make him double crochet. Now in one pla finish, so by you make him another pla 10 pla more. So me show him can. Another double crochet can. So you may got 3 chain stop yeah. Now 1, 2, 3. Triple double crochet. So you may talk sa triple chain and bow some first plus stitch me. So now we may count as a 1, 2, 3, 4 plus stitch stop in this. So me need him 12 plus so we making another 8 plus more double crochet stitch yeah. So yarn over and 1, 2, you need just him magic ring blue, pull and tail, pull him easy that's all. Then we count 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 plus more. 1, 2. Okay, and 12 the double crochet stitch stop now, but we can close it isla. Magic ring ya, so we pull it and tail and we pull him over the and tight now and stop. So now ring ya close. Okay, la finish it isla round by me slip stitch concello. Third chain ya, we put the stitch maka stop them ya. not chaining one, now by me cut it off because by me send a color. Use the second color by me talk by me need four color to make it. So and first round finish. Second round and by me using red. Use the second color blue, I'm starting work blue. By me make on the slip knot past them. Now me talk so much all narap la video by me, I'm showing how to make him all slip knot na. Slip knot na magic ring all so suppose you know same good. You know pick him up how to make him, you go watch him all yeah. Now you can make him. So me show him just in case suppose you know how to slip knot. Lo make a slip knot. You hold your rope blue lo. Finger or some stuff. Now me you twist him. Now you twist him also make sure this la rope you walk on them yeah. And start la untap. And start la untap. Suppose you twist him na rap la way also. And now you look at entail and start la untaps. This la you make him when not walk so make sure you twist your rope blue and this la rope you walk on them so step untap. Now you hold him on some stuff. The hook blue through the loop yeah. Yarn over. Pull him coming shut now. You hold him tail the rope yeah. Na rope you walk on them yeah. You pull him to pla. Hold the hook blue stand you pull him to pla. And slip knot you come up yeah. You need to adjust him size. Pull the tail the rope yeah. Na rope you walk yeah. Rope you walk on them yeah. Pull him sit as all. Go one size you think same hinap lo. Size lo hook blue now you stop. Okay, so once you make a slip knot blue finish, by me start the second round. Now second round yeah, you will not have gonchal stitches. This all be yeah, I'm all for me all stitch blue me. Double crochet by me not walk on side. Load this all stitches. Or some normal way blow. Make me by me walk on a mellow. Space na mellow all. Post or body blow stitch yeah. So you put the hook blue through the one plan. Any space you pick in one plan. Put the hook blue through now. You put this slip knot tag on top. Now pull him through. Now you chain one. So you yarn over. Not chain. Now you attach him the second color ya golo. Walk blue. Okay, so now we chain him 3 can. And second round now. Chain him 3 and this lamp still one bla. First bla. Double crochet blue me, so put the stitch mark out blue. Now by you go back and inside the same plus space. Make it one bla more double crochet go inside the slab. So yarn over, put the hook on set. Yarn over, pull him come on top. You got triple loop stop yeah. Yarn over, pull him through the tupla past them. Then yarn over, pull him through the next tupla. Okay, move go the next plus space. Them stitch stop yeah, but maybe go to the space yeah. Maybe make another tupla double crochet go to the space. So before you put the hook through the space yeah, you yarn over past them. Now you put the hook through. Yarn over, pull him come on top. You got this triple loop yeah. Yarn over, pull him through the tupla past them. Then yarn over, pull him through the last tupla yeah. Okay, but you make another again, the same plus space. Another double crochet again. Okay, so in pattern do this around and you make him tupla double crochet na melody la. Okay, the space yeah. You make him tupla around him come go the last plus space now. But me bring you la hap. Lo show you one something to make it next. Suppose you line in now tasolne you looking also make go fast mas pausing video ya stop. You make him more get finish him, make him easy low pace play yet. Make him go now. You feel him say you finish him enough now you ready now. Okay, you press and play again and continue. Okay, so me come up the last plus space blooming now, but we make him last two play double crochet gon set. So me yarn over and one ply and second one. Okay, now we can slip stitch conceal the third chain here because we talking first plus stitch me. So tie you counting all stitches you come now you should got 12 ply or 2 double crochet here. So total 24. One ply is a 2 ply, one ply 2 ply can. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But I'm 2 plus stitches, so you total stitch count be rounding about 24. So counting stitch blue before you slip stitch concept. Na cut your row blue because we missing a color counting na make so you got 24 plus stitches because first round you miss 31 to 12. You so you got 12 plus stitches low first round. Okay, me slip stitch low. Third chain now, when we chain one, na cut your rope. We missing a color again, so third color blue na ready. And third round blue now we start one plus slip knot 2. So make it slip knot low rope blue. And we say plan up la way make it slip knot there. Okay, so this la round yeah, baby make him all. Stitches blue me concept low space one kind of same. This la round 2 you make him yeah. Baby no na walk concept stitches. Baby walk concept space yeah. So this la two ply double crochet you make it stop yeah. Baby walk concept lot. So 2 ply yeah. Space na melo 2 ply yeah. Stitch back on set. Okay, you skip him sa 2 plus tap 1 time yeah. Go next space. And go another plus stitch concept. Skip him 2 plus tap 1 time yeah. Go next one. And baby make him all stitches or same goes. So make it slip knot be finished now. Pick a 1 ply space yeah. Any space and right to kata one kind tassel. So put a hook bit through. Put the slip knot be on the hook. Pull in through. And chain 1. But this around baby start on another chain 3. So chain in 3 plus. 1, 2, 3. Now by you making 1 plus more double crochet go into the same space. So yarn over, put the hook go back and into the same space. Yarn over, pull up. Yarn over, pull through the 2 plus past them. Then yarn over, pull through the 2 plus. So you got 1 plus stitch start. Then second plus double crochet stitch here. Stitch mark up the make on set. But you make it 3 plus double crochet go into the next space yeah. 2 plus double crochet the previous round stop yeah. So now melo space plus a 2 plus yeah. Maybe put in all stitches this round yeah. Round 3 concept lap. So maybe make it 3 plus double crochet the space. making one pla, yarn over, concert can, make a second one. Now by making another pla, third one can, plus same plus space. Okay, so I'm pattern by the around here. By making 3 double crochet inside the little space, rounding kamu kata last space ya. Okay, so you continue on this pattern here, making 3 double crochet. Now melo this little 2 double crochet, you make it last round here. You make it 3 double crochet around him count, but we bring you the last space here. Okay, so me come up the last space below me now, but we're making 3 double crochet concert. 1, 2, now 3. Now you look in this space you missed out there. You will make him chain 3 now, 1 double crochet. So I've got 2 plus stitch, that's all inside. Now got another play, you will make him 3 come. So this last stitch and need look on set this same plus space here, so by make you 1 plus. So this first one you missed out there, now make him chain 3 now 1 plus, that's all here. But you make it 1 plus double crochet, go back and inside the same plus space here. Look complete him 3 plus stitches play. Okay, now you can slip stitch concello. Third the chain here. Now by me send si color again, so chaining 1, now by me cut the rope. The 4th color blue ready. Okay, so me put him na rope that purple on top. Now one kind of see me starting with harap all 2 around here, by me starting 1 down plus slip knot 2. So make a slip knot 1 the rope play you. Now like this round 4, by me make him all stitches blue me conceal all space na melody all 3 double crochet here. So I'm 1 plus space up here, another plus space here, next space here, and by me making all stitches conceal. So pick him any space. Now by put the attach him second. So pick any space. Now by you attach him 4th color blue you gonna set. Put the hook through, then put the slip knot blue on top. Pull him through. Now you yarn over, now make you 1 plus chain. Now you attach him 4th color yellow rope blue. Now you attach this la. Now you attach him 4th color yellow work blue. Okay, so you may start. This round 2, by me starting 1 to 1 plus chain 3. So chain in 3 plus 1, 2, 3. Now by you make 1 plus double crochet, go back and insert with this la. So you go insert the same plus space. So yarn over, lo rob you na put the hook on the space here. Then yarn over, pull him come on top. You got triple loop the hook here. Now you make it double crochet blue. Yarn over, pull him through the tupla past them. Then yarn over, pull him through the next tupla. Now you got tupla stitches stuck. One plain, chain 3. Now one plain, normal regular double crochet stitch here. Next space here, by making triple double crochet one set. So yarn over, put hook bit through, yarn over, pull up. Make it one double crochet. Go back and inside the same plus space here. And second one, okay, one more. And triple. Okay, next space, we make it differently click. We start one time double crochet. So yarn over, put the hook through the space here. Make a double crochet blue. Now make another two more one set. One kind of set layer, you make it triple layer, but you make it triple 2. So one plus step in is you make another two again. Okay, and 2 plus step, we make it 1 plus more. And third one now. Okay, but you chain him 2, 1, 2. Now make another triple again, go to the same plus up. So some you feel the same space pass, can move him, walk blue up, push him to the side. Now you make another triple again. So yarn over, put the hook blue through the same plus space. And first one, 2 more step. Second, and a third. Okay, so it's the next 2 plus space here. 1 player, another player. But you making triple double crochet, go to the 2 plus space here. So triple double crochet lo here, triple lo here. 1, 2, 3. Now a triple again the next one. 1, 2, 3. Now next space here. But you make it one kind of shape, you make it lo here, yeah. But you make it triple double crochet past them, then chain in 2 plus, and make another triple again, go to the same plus space here. So 1, 2, 3. Now when we chain in 2 plus, 1, 2, make another triple again, go to the same space. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so walk blue by look again. So in pattern, you're repeating one kind, you make him Next 2 plus space here, by making triple double crochet tassel. Disla, na disla. Okay, next one, by making disla. Triple double crochet, chain 2, na triple double crochet lah here. Then by triple double crochet tassel, triple double crochet tassel. Disla. Triple double crochet, chain 2, na triple double crochet ya. Last plus space ya. So continue making disla. Round him, na ba mi bungin yun. Last plus space ya. Now, so you how lo finish work you. So I'm making triple here. 1, 2, 3. Next space, panaro pa triple 2. 1, 2. Okay, triple chain 2 na triple lo sa last plus space ya. So yung last plus space belum now we make him triple finish. Pa mi chain him 2 na make naro pa triple ken kon chalos la last plus space ya. 1, 2. Let me make it triple again the same space. So M1, 2, 3. Okay, so this la first plus face you may start him here. You may make him 2 pla tassel ya. Chain 3 na 1 pla double crochet ya stop ya. So 1 plus stitch, another plus stitch. So now lo finish this la round, but you make it 1 pla last pla double crochet stitch conchal. Same plus space la 2 pla stop ya. Chain 3 na 1 pla double crochet stop ya. Make it 1 pla double crochet conchal same plus space. Now become up number 3 stitch less the space because of what another you make a triple stop ya. Now by my slip stitch conchal third the chain. I'm gonna put the stitch marker, but we can look here. Suppose you had look clear, please suppose you started you must got this like habit blow. Put the stitch marker, I will help you. Okay, I'm finished now. You may chain him 1 and cut the rope to me. Now you Starlet granny square blue me and finish it. Suppose you look at the shape lemon a square too much, you put the finger blue lodge la 4 black corner ya, chain 2 stop lemon. Now you pull him. Whoops. Stretch him out. He's a little tassel. Now square shape ya will come up. Okay, so this is extra. Suppose you need to make him border around him. Granny square, yeah. To make him easy. Suppose you make him plantina, but you need to stitch him all on top. Like, kind of say this let me make him, and put him 2 plus side by side, now me stitch him. So suppose you need to got straight side or all stitches, yeah, you need to become clear so you can look in and make him join here. By me make him this last round go top na you look him. So by me start 1 plus slip knot 2. So I'm also at column border. Plenty will work and pattern step, but you need to add him extra border just because me talk about you need to got all stitch counter by looking good clear na. Time you la join him all and easy la you. So how to join him border ya? By me make you border now na you look him. Okay, so by me start him inside the 1 pla all 3 pla double crochet step ya. You pick him any, put the hook blade through, now attach him rope blade you 1 kind of say you may make him come here. 1 plus chain. Now when you chain 1, go back and inside the same plus stitch you put this la rope concept in. But you start in 1 time because I 1 plus stitch 2 you don't have to skip him. Make it 1 plus single crochet concept. Now make a single crochet. You put the hook, go back and inside the stitch here. Yarn over, pull him come on top. But you got 2 ply loop that's all the hook. You yarn over and pull him through the 2 ply. Now single crochet stitch blue come up here. So because I'm first stitch, but me put the stitch marker. So me round him come in a foul now. Slip stitch the wrong up. Now when you continue making 1 double crochet inside log at the stitches across here. So and triple double crochet I mean attach him low. First 1 finish. So by making 1 single crochet low. Next 2 ply, then 1 inside the 3 ply, then 1 inside the 3 ply. Double crochet before the chain 2 you make mo same comment up. Kami bungi yung lahap. So 1 1. Just make it 1 single crochet. Put the hook through the stitch. Yarn over, pull up. Pull, yarn over, pull through 2. And single crochet. Okay, so let me come up the corner now. Inside of the chain 2 space here. But we're making 3 plus single crochet going set. So put the hook through the chain 2 here. And 1. Put the hook on second. 2. On second the chain 2 here. Making number 3. And 1 plus corner finish now. Okay. But we make it like corner now. So after you make it like 3 plus single crochet, you must think 3 plus double crochet start here. So but you need to make him 3 plus single crochet stitches here. 1 low. Get that. It's like double crochet, yeah. So suppose you make him 3 plus blue. Sometimes height it's like first plus double crochet stitch, yeah. So make sure you make it 3 plus finish. Move him to side. Now make sure you know height him any stitches. So that you continue going by corner blue you become up clear. You're skipping 1 blue now by shape blue. It's like granny square but now come up clear. So I'm going to make him 1 2 3, then 1 2 3, then 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Now we come up the next chain 2 space here. We make a 3 plus 1 set. Now we turn it again. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Now come up another chain 2 Kenya of the 3 plus 1 set. So but then you continue like this, make you rounding na me. Kabungin nyo the next end can. Inahatok and we see plus something like making me put him 1 plus single crochet each stitch. Now I make a single crochet and me talk. We put the hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull him come on top. You got 2 plus loop stop now. Yarn over, pull him through the 2 plus on them. And how to make a single crochet, so make him 1 inside log at the stitch. Now 3 plus low, just little chain 2 space here. Okay, so I'm going to come back and make that last double crochet stitch to the side. Before the chain 2 here. We make it 1 plus. Now we make 3 plus single crochet going set low. Chain 2 space here. So 1, 2, 3. Now we got 3 plus double crochet stitches left. So we make it 1 single crochet going set the 3 plus, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Now you come back and the first plus stitch here. Stitch marker me put on. First plus single stitch you make me, a single crochet stitch you make me, by slip stitch one set. chain 1 na katiro pliu. Na en finish ya. Starlet granny square bli sudlu kosem. Suppose you enjoy the tutorial and clearly you easily you understand, please like the video below me. You know subscribe to the channel, subscribe. Sharing suppose you feel almost sample line it lo sabe tu. All sample line you sabe sa crochet ba like lo line im slat petentu sharing video. Nah, yeah, but I'm gonna be for the next video. Thank you for watch.